Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually going to dive into the basics of how people really started making money online without building any websites whatsoever. It's something that a lot of people still do not know about, but it's one of the most common ways where you can make money online. It's very powerful once you understand this concept and you multiply your work that you're putting into your business over time to really start to build up an income into affiliate marketing and making money online. So our channel is Ryan and Sam Hill. If this is the first time you've ever been to our channel, Sam and I would invite you to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And what that does is allow you to get a notification each and every time we upload a new video that will allow you to get more videos like this and how you can make money from home. So let's go ahead and dive into the content, and we're going to show you how you can use this opportunity to make some money for yourself. Okay, so here we are on Google, okay, and we're going to type in best Christmas gifts in 2019. We got Christmas coming up next month, and people are going to start really shopping for Christmas over the next month. So how can you benefit from this opportunity? And even next Christmas, how can you set yourself up to actually make some money from home from this day going forward? And how you can do that is blogging. Okay, that blogging is very powerful. There's several different websites where you don't have to create a blogging site for yourself. They actually already have the search engine optimization because there's such a big blogging site, and great content creators have made it that all right, so I'm going to show you a couple real quick. So best Christmas gifts in 2019 is our search term. We're going to scroll down. So what does that say? I am bringing bloggingback.com. So we're going to click on that. Our Your Christmas Gifts Guide for the most unique holiday ever. So these are kind of blogs from the same person. This person obviously owns this site. He's got a blog on the 31st of October, November 5th, November 5th, and October 26th. So any one of these that you go into. All right, so this is a perfume. Cocoa. Some of you women may know what brand this is. Best-selling Cocoa Channel perfume. Alright, if you scroll over the link on the bottom left, you're going to see it's at Nordstrom. Okay, we're going to go down to the next one. The new Echo Dot 3rd generation, you can buy that from Amazon. All of these links are his affiliate links. So if somebody clicks on this and actually goes to that particular site, he's going to earn a commission from those sales. So pretty much, so you grab your picture, you have a buy now link that you actually link your affiliate code inside this buy now button, and what that does is whenever they click this, it actually goes to the affiliate site, whether it be Amazon, Target, Walmart, anywhere where you have an affiliate account set up that you actually want to sell a product. You will actually have an affiliate code and link to link this picture to. So all you have to do is create some text, create a really nice of why they need to purchase the item, and then just make it look very nice and powerful, like he's got here. I mean, it's very, these are supposed to be the best products of 2019 to buy. So for men who are looking to buy a product for their wife, maybe they come to this choice and say, well, she is kind of low on perfume, and click buy now. And it's so powerful. Okay, so that's one of the sites that I found that I was going to show you. Very well set up, but I was also going to show you the Amazon affiliates page. So if you were to set up an Amazon affiliates page, you would just go over here to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and you can hit join now. It's free to join. All you have to do is take a few minutes to actually set up the account, and then you will be up and running. You will even have a back office, which is so powerful. You have all of these reporting types, and Amazon's going to feed you data where you can improve yourself as being an affiliate for them. So you're going to get earnings report, orders reports, miscellaneous referrals, link type reports, daily trends, tracking ID summary, and payment history. You're going to get a whole lot of reports that allow you to become a better marketer. If you're having a lot of click-throughs that are not actually buying the product, it may allow you to go back to your blogging site and find out why. You might be able to move some things around, might be able to move your links around, but this is so powerful, and anybody can actually do this without having to create a website, without having a whole lot of knowledge. All they have to do is create content and actually put it in front of the customer. So it's a very, very simple business for you guys to make money online. It's a very powerful way for somebody who's still working full time, that don't have a whole lot of time, to get up and running and making money from home with this type of opportunity. So this is going to be target affiliates. This is how you can join today. You can earn up to 8% when people buy from your links on Target. It's very powerful, guys. I mean, you're talking, these are companies, billion-dollar companies that people buy from all the time anyway. So all you have to do is take those same customers that are going to buy these products and put yourself in between them. Instead of allowing the customer to go directly to Target, you're sliding yourself in the middle and allowing the customer to read your article, and you're introducing them to Target. That's it. It's all you have to do to make 8 to 10% on some of these companies. So the better you are at putting yourself in between the customer and the actual the business side, then that's what's going to determine how much money you can actually make from this type of business. But it's very powerful. All you have to do is have some blogging skills, create content, some very good content of why people need to buy the products, and actually put your blog in front of the customers that allows them to transition into your affiliate code to the business. That's it. That's all you have to do with this opportunity. As I said, it's going to be very simple. We're back on our channel now. It's Ryan and Sam Hill again. If this is the first time you've ever been on the channel, like I said before, we put out videos on affiliate marketing and how you can make money from home. With that becomes mindset, motivation, and all of that with it. We combine everything with affiliate marketing and making money from home on our channel. So we would invite you to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification, interact with us down there in comments on our videos. We really look forward to growing the YouTube community, interacting with the people on YouTube, and actually helping people make money from home. That's why Sam and I are doing this. We really want to help as many people make money from home as possible. And if that's you, we welcome you to our community and actually interacting with you guys and building friendships along the way. So if that's of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. And that's pretty much going to be it on this video. I think we pretty much covered everything. Until next time, I hope you have a great week. Take care.